Hello everyone. We will first locate some buttons and learn several key features of the Yealink T42S ultra-elegant gigabit IP phone in this video series. Now let's get familiar with the phone itself. The T42S has 3 key buttons on each side of the display for a total of 6. On the bottom of the display are active screen options. The options are History, Directory, DND or Do Not Disturb, and Menu. While making a call, these buttons will change to Transfer, Hold, Conference, and End Call. Some of the other key options are straightforward, such as Scroll Select, Cancel, Volume Control, Mute, Headset Pickup, Message, Redial, and Speakerphone.